Oké, dus we gaan nu met de warm-up. Alle upper body exercises begin je hiermee. Eerste beweging die we hebben is van hier naar hier terug. Dit is allemaal rotator cuff. Oké, 10 keer. Dan draaien naar buiten, weer 10 keer. Laatste naar binnen toe. Zo staan. Naar binnen. Dus ik laat het hier wijzen. Zo. Zo, 10 keer. En dan deze. Hier. Omhoog. Naar beneden. Terug. Die hoog. Naar beneden. Dus external rotation houden. Naar boven. Beneden. Dit is echt voor de bench press meer. En dat is hem beide armen 3 keer. Degrees, we're starting chest, which is a bigger muscle. So we'll have 4 exercises, 3 sets each. First set, warm-up set. We're starting with incline at 45 degrees. The bench is behind the center line, Okay, so from here, stretch all the way to the top. Stretch. I don't want you to touch hands. I want you to just stop right here. Stretch as far as you can go. Hold in the stretch, 3 count. 1, 2, 3. Come up.
I was thinking.
Hold the stretch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is what we're doing. All right. Okay, this exercise is basically lower chest. We're gonna move. This is at 15 degrees. It's moved all the way forward. Okay, the bench. And then we're gonna get on the bench this way. And really doing the lower chest. So from here to here. Hold in the stretch. There you go. Hold in the stretch. 3 count. Bring it up. Don't bring it all the way in. Keep it here. At waist level. Our waist. Then bring it up.
On the side, look at such
Bring it up. Sit. Okay, so we're doing bench press, but the key thing with the bench press is the positioning before you get on. So I want you, once you're on, shoulders together, arched, and then what you're doing is trying to bend the bar this way. Okay, so you're pretending to bend the bar this way. That's how you start. That's how you lock your shoulders in. So now we're gonna do it. Lay down. Okay. So setting up. My shoulders are together. I'm arched, as you can see right here. I'm bending this way. Okay. So when I lift, this is gonna be my range of motion. From here, boom, up. Here, boom, up. Here.
Like what's
Boom.
awesome.
Here's.
Boom.
Fine. Good.
That's what we the guy. Red she is.
Okay. So next is we'll do incline press. Same thing, shoulders together, not as radical as on the flat bench. Make sure you're in a good position. And bring it in. All the way down, hold the stretch. Push up. Bring it in. Hold the stretch. Push up. Bring it in.
Yeah. I saw.
For the stretch. Up. These are the basics. This is what I want you to do. All right, first of the bicep exercises. We're gonna take out actual load by laying down, so that we have no load on the spine, or minimum load. Lay down straight from here. Bring it up. Down slow. Up. Down slow. Up. Down slow. This is your first bicep exercise from 3. Okay? This is just really the warm-up. So here, we're gonna do 4 sets. 8 to 12 reps. First set that you do here is a warm-up, so it doesn't count. And then it's 3 sets per exercise. 3 exercises. Okay. This is the most effective bicep workout there is. You're gonna lay flat. You're gonna get the bicep in full extension to the ground. And then you're gonna lift it up to here, halfway. Down all the way, stretch completely, hold. Come back up, all the way here. Slow, down, hold the stretch, come back up. Bring it down, hold the stretch, come back up. Down. Set.
Tuesday.
The third biceps exercise. I'm in extension completely, coming forward, halfway, holding. Holding back, forward. Holding back,
5
forward.
5.
Forward back.
Okay.
And the idea is here, again,
5.
full extension of the bicep muscle, having the most tension in back when the exercise is starting. Look at the angle, look how high I have it hooked in, so that you really get the stretch from back. Okay, guys.